Having some unexpected guests at home for lunch and dinner? Looking for some healthy, easy dessert recipes? I look around my kitchen and I find these ripe Kerala bananas. Here I have the mangoes also, but they are still not ripe. These Kerala bananas in its raw form are generally used for making your favorite banana chips. So today we are going to be making easy ripe banana dessert with jaggery. Namaskarams and welcome back to Munch and Mull. Keep watching. These Kerala bananas are called Nendram Palam in Kerala. These are actually plantains and not bananas. And what's the basic difference between a plantain and a banana is, plantains are much longer than banana and they have a much thicker skin than banana. Also, plantains have more starch content than bananas, and so even if they are ripe, they taste much better when they are cooked slightly. Many of us do not like to eat overripe bananas, and here they look so overripe. But this is just the right stage to have the Kerala Nendran banana. Now this ripe banana could be just had as it is, or could be cut and steamed, or could be converted into a dessert. Let's look at the ingredients for the Nendram Palam Norukku or roasted Kerala banana in jaggery syrup. Now we can also use any other banana, but this recipe tastes amazing with the Kerala bananas. So we have about 5 Nendram Palams, 1 small cup of jaggery powder or raw cane sugar, 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter and elaichi powder. So this dessert is made with just 4 ingredients. So let's just peel the banana and cut it into discs. So now let's first dissolve the jaggery in about half a glass of water. Boil it for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then now we will strain this to remove any floating particulate matter. So now let's add the ghee and we will add the chopped plantains. We will saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add the jaggery syrup. Let the jaggery syrup boil till the plantains absorb the jaggery syrup. So now our banana jaggery dessert is ready. We'll add the elaichi powder. Switching off the gas. Looks so yummy and delicious. Our tasty Nendram Palam Norukku or caramelized banana dessert is ready. With sudden guests at home, do we have the tendency to rush to the department store and get ready-made packaged desserts? This is worth mulling over, isn't it? Packaged desserts, for example, som papdis and many other desserts have refined maida or refined wheat flour used. Also, if you refer to my episode on the raw mango pickle, there are a lot of chemical preservatives, added chemical flavors, artificial colors used in these desserts, which are extremely harmful to our health. And with so many easy traditional dessert recipes available for us, is it not better to make these wonderful tasty desserts at home rather than go for these packaged desserts? Leave your comments below.